all, welcome to Learn with Techies. In this video, I'll be talking about Midjourney version 5. In my previous video, I have covered few of the improvements on Midjourney version 5. I'll be posting that link description below. This is part 2 of that video. As here, I will cover some more of the awesome features that Midjourney version 5 introduced that I was not able to cover in my past video. So let's go. The first one that I want to talk about is the composition or the blending feature. So suppose I have two images that I want to blend together. So let's see how Midjourney is handling that in version 4 and version 5. Suppose I have this design and this design that I want to merge together. So this is what version 5 has created. So these were the two images. So this is what version 5 has created. If you see, the background still remains the same and it has tried to add some new texture as and what it thinks fit. And this is what version 4 has created. So if you see, this seems little bit artificial than what we have in the version 5. So you can try with some other images also, and I find that this blending feature has improved a lot. Midjourney version 5 has also introduced image weightage concept. So basically what that means, by using that, you can combine an image and a text and you can provide how much you want weightage of the image to be in respect to the text. It could be a number from 0 to 2. So let's try that out. Suppose I want to use this image only. I'm on Midjourney version 5. So this is what it's created. So if you see, it has the image as its background and the text, you can see the man standing here, and it has blended it really well. Let's try the same thing, but by increasing the image weightage to 2. That's the maximum, and see what is the result we are getting. So this is what it has created. So if you can see, you can spot the difference from what you have seen earlier. Here, the man, that is the text that we added, is kind of in a background in the image. It's not the centerpiece. But if you see this image, the one where the image weightage was 1, here the man is kind of centerpiece to the image. So you can see that image weightage is a really interesting concept. You should definitely try using this. The next feature I want to talk to you about is aspect ratio. So in Midjourney version 5, you are no longer bonded by any specific aspect ratio. You can go ahead and create as many aspect ratio as you want. So let's go ahead and try something. Here I'm trying the aspect ratio of 1:8, and let's see what it's creating. It will create a narrow strip of image. If you see, this is what it has created. It's looking so pretty, and you can see the aspect ratio is 1:8. That's why it's so much longer. The other major improvement I see is in the stylized. Stylized option now gives a wider output that's more vibrant and more stylized than V4 version. So let's go ahead and try it out. Stylized kind of work from 0 to 1000. So 0 is like more photographic image, and 1000 is more artistic. So let's try it out in version 5 and version 4. Let me try the highest stylized option, because there I'm seeing much improvement. So this is what it has created in version 5. If you can see, it's more artistic. You can see the sunlight reflecting through the water. Now let's check out what version 4 has created for us. So this is what is being created in version 4. So you can actually see the difference here in version 4 and version 5. It's more painting like, and it's not at all feeling realistic, while the version 5 quite awesome. The other improvement that I have personally seen in Midjourney is the window reflection and photo shoot through the glass or windows. So basically in the version 5, if you look in the reflection, they are more fine-tuned and more realistic. Let's try some of the example of reflection of glass so it will be more clear to you. So if suppose I try something like, let's see what version 5 is creating for us. So this is what version 4 has created. If you see, the reflection is not kind of matching with what we are seeing on this side. And the faces are also kind of looking disfigured. So this is the Midjourney version 5. If you see, it's so much more realistic. You can actually see the image being reflected here like an actual photo. So this is something that I really like. Like if you compare it side by side also, you can see how much Midjourney version has improved. So this was it. So now I have practically covered all of the new improvement that Midjourney version 5 has come up with. That's it for today. Thank you for joining in. Do like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also post comments in the video description below what feature of Midjourney version 5 you like the most and how you will be using that. Thank you, and see you again in the next session of What's New in Tech.